Here I've got my 1 ounce bottle of Now Eucalyptus essential oil. You can use any brand. It's a 100% pure. The other item you'll need is a dust mask or a respirator type mask. I have 2 different kinds here. You can use either one. I like the respirator type mask because it's got a valve which allows you to breathe out easier, and you don't waste your eucalyptus essential oil when you breathe out. So this particular product is by 3M Tech Protection. It's a paint sanding valved respirator. And here's what it looks like. It's got an N95 rating, and it's got the valve which allows you to breathe out more easily. This product is about $10 for 2 if you buy them at Lowe's or Home Depot. Here we have the Home Dust Mask, also by 3M Tech Protection brand. You can get these 4 of them at Walmart for about $3. And there's what they look like. I called 3M to find out what these masks are made of, the fibrous portion. And as it turns out, there's 2 constituents in the mask. There's polypropylene and polyester. And it appears that both of these are compatible with eucalyptus essential oil. There are some antimicrobial wipes that use eucalyptus oil, and the wipes are made out of polypropylene. If you're worried about using synthetic materials in a mask along with your essential oils, you could go with a cotton mask instead. So this is really easy. You merely apply a few drops to the inside of the mask. So using your eucalyptus oil dropper bottle, I'd say 1 to 5 drops depending on what kind of dose you want to inhale. Start out relatively easy, maybe try 1 or 2 drops. And don the mask. What you'll find is, whereas the steam facial sauna method only lasts a few seconds, this will give you a good several minutes of inhalation of the eucalyptus vapor. I'm feeling better already. Another good thing about this method is that you don't get the vapors in your eyes. And that happens when you use the steam method or use just a tissue over your nose. Watched pots never boil. This takes a long time. Here we go. Now we're getting some action. Okay, so now we have some nice steam coming up. And what I want to do is demonstrate how quickly the essential oil, a volatile oil like eucalyptus, evaporates. So you don't have much time if you do the facial sauna. So there's 1 drop. And it's gone. That was less than 5 seconds. Once you've added your essential oil to your steaming water, you would hold your face over it and have a towel draped over your head so that you capture the rising volatile essential oil. But it's rather tricky because it's going everywhere. The way the steam rises, you can't really control the dose that you're getting. So we have another idea.